Hello friends, this is an Firebolt Eterno. So this will be one of the largest display in the smartwatch, having 1.99 inch display. Okay, so in addition to that, it's having a Bluetooth calling, and also you will get many of these features like sleep monitoring, smart notification, camera control, so inbuilt mic and speaker. So it's an IP68. Okay, so generally in all mobiles we will have IP67, but in this mobile it's having IP68, water resistant, and you will get also weather updates, and you can control the music via Bluetooth, and you will get some of the inbuilt games also. Okay, so the resolutions for the screen, it will be 240 into 283 pixel resolution, and here the maximum rate is given as 1899, around 19,000. So I got this smartwatch at a rate of around so at 1452. Okay, so 1452 I got this from their website. So you can directly visit the website. Sometimes you will get some discount or offer price, or you can purchase from the Flipkart or Amazon also. Okay, so let me make the unboxing of this smartwatch. So these are the some papers, like you will get instructions booklet, and this is a watch, this and foam body. Okay, so this is an watch and having a charging cable, and these are the some subscription. So they are providing 3-month free subscription in the Ghana Plus, and also this is an warranty card. So we have to register by using the QR code and some of the paperworks. Okay, so congratulations, you have won the exclusive Bolt Play app membership. So we can watch latest movies through Geo Cinema, and Spotify, and also play unlimited games. So some of the offers they are providing in the music. So this is an surprise card, like Ola, you have won a free movie ticket. So free book my show voucher, claim your voucher by visiting. So this we have to visit, and we can get the ticket on. Okay, and this and cable again. Okay, so coming to watch, this and first look you can observe. So having largest screen. So for a, if you hold it